What if I told you that with just your laptop and the power of ChatGPT, you could start making $1,000 a week without any experience? Imagine turning ChatGPT into your very own cash printing machine. Picture this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and check your phone to see hundreds, even thousands of dollars rolling in, all thanks to the power of AI. Stick with me because I'm about to reveal 7 unique and rare strategies that will have you raking in profits faster than you thought possible. We're talking about actionable steps you can take today to start generating real income. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive straight into it. Let's kick things off with a skill so valuable, businesses pay top dollar for it: ChatGPT prompt engineering. ChatGPT is a powerful engine, but it needs the right fuel. That fuel is a well-crafted prompt. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Charge $50 to $200 per prompt, and with 10 clients a week, you can hit $1,000. Master prompt engineering, create and sell templates. This opens up more revenue streams and can elevate your income to $2,000 or more. The self-publishing world is booming, and you can cash in using ChatGPT. Research profitable niches with Google Trends and Amazon KDP. Use ChatGPT to write your ebook. ChatGPT helps craft engaging books. Edit and polish your draft. Publish on Kindle Direct Publishing. Earn passive income monthly. Create multiple titles to capture a loyal audience. Everyone's talking about passive income. This hack is the holy grail of hands-off money-making. Create an AI-powered content subscription service. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content, package it into a membership plan, charge $50 to $100 per subscriber. With 20 subscribers, make $1,000 weekly. Partner with influencers to scale up. A fully scaled service can bring in $10,000 monthly. Finding the perfect gift can be a real pain. Offer a unique, personalized gift experience with AI. Use ChatGPT to craft customized content. Sell through a website, Etsy, or social media. Customers provide details about the recipient. Charge $20 to $50 per piece. With 25 to 50 orders a week, you're cashing in. Love sharing knowledge? Become an AI consultant for niche industries. Help real estate agents, teachers, lawyers, and more. Teach them to use ChatGPT for tasks like writing, customer service, and legal documents. Charge $200 to $500 per session. Book 5 clients a week for over $1,000. Offer workshops, online courses, or retainers. There you have it. 5 game-changing strategies to turn ChatGPT into your very own money-making machine. Remember, we're living in a time where the possibilities with AI are endless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.